Hey guys, what's going on? It's Faye Pavich with Journey to Financial Freedom. I'm going to do an unboxing today of the Funnel Hackers Blackbox so you guys can see everything that comes into it and why I think you guys should upgrade. So first of all, what is the Blackbox? It's an upgrade that's available when you're looking to purchase the Expert Secrets or .com Secrets books by Russell Brunson. And the reason I think you guys should buy the black box is because it comes with a bunch of other really cool materials that'll help you out and supplement it. And it comes with both the .com Secrets books and the Expert Secrets books. So you get both of them plus a whole other slew of material. And it's really not that much more anyway than if you were to order them individually. So I just recommend that you guys upgrade. So I'm going to show you guys everything that comes with the Funnel Hackers Black Box, and then you can click the link below and upgrade your order and get everything that you see here. All right guys, so this is the Funnel Hacker Black Box, and I'm going to unpackage it and show you guys what it comes with. What I like about it is that it's this nice black box that it comes with, and it's great to keep all of the stuff inside of it, which is really, really nice. So it comes with these two tabs on the side here that you pull up, okay? And then when you open it, okay, you get the Funnel Hacker Quick Start Guide, Black Box Quick Start Guide. And what this essentially is saying is that everything that comes in it and how to use all of it and all of that kind of stuff. So I'll go through with this with you, but some of the stuffs you get is you get the .com Secrets and the Expert Secrets books. So you get both books, okay? You get invited to join the Funnel Hacker community, where you can join thousands of other funnel hackers. You get both the Clickfunnels and the Actionetics Secrets books. Okay, you get the Fill Your Funnel Secrets books, and you get a bunch of other cool stuff. So I'm actually going to show you in detail all the stuff that you get. So what's cool off the bat is you get some of this cool, really nice marketing stuff that you can have here. And this is what this is this is the Funnel Hackers. It's called the Manifesto or Mantra or Mini Manifesto, and this is basically what does Funnel Hackers stand for. So I'm a funnel hacker. I define my own destiny. I create my own luck. I build my own empires, and I change the world. I'm just one funnel away. So what I like about it is that you can use this as stickers. They're two really, really nice stickers. You can put on your laptop. You can put it on, wherever you want. So I really like some of the marketing materials that it comes with. So then I kind of was talking about that manifesto. So that's the mini version, and then here's the full version that you get. I'm not going to read all of it now, but what's really cool is that it also comes as a sticker too. So it's really, really cool. You also get an invitation to the webinar for funnel scripts, which is really, really cool. And I like how all of this it's all really printed on really, really nice cardstock. That's the other thing I like. They're really, really nice printing materials. The web class at the Instant Funnel Hacks. You can learn about the different secrets for his weird niche funnel or niche funnel if you haven't already. And it talks also about getting CF certified, which is Clickfunnels certification program, which is the highest paying part-time job, quote unquote, in the world. So there's some marketing materials there. I really like this too. Some stickers it came with. So it's like, I build funnels, so you can put that on a laptop. You can see him, Russell Brunson has it on his laptop, and Funnel Hackers there. So what I really like about it is that all these cool stickers, marketing material, and stuff like that. And then you get the two books, which is the Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson, the second book that he wrote, and the .com Secrets, which is the first book he wrote. Right. So these two books right away. You're going to get them in the black box. So in my opinion, you might as well already upgrade to the black box, because you're going to get the two books for just a little bit more, and you get all of these extra bonuses for free. So I recommend reading the Expert Secrets first, then the .com Secrets. If you're looking for a book review, I have videos of both of the books with a detailed book review and why I think they're one of the best books for entrepreneurs out there. So I'll link those as well to those videos, but I won't go into too deep. I won't dive into deeply of these books. It's more about the funnel hacking. So check out those videos if you're interested in those books. Okay. All right. So the next thing we have here is, so all of these are different little booklets. Okay. So this is Clickfunnels Secrets, okay? And what I like about this book is that it talks about all of the cool stuff in Clickfunnels, okay? And it talks about how to do all the cool stuff in Clickfunnels, okay? So I really, really like this. This is a really, really nice little companion guide to have with Clickfunnels. So you have this on the side of your desk and you can go through all of it. I really, really like that. So a bunch of these books, these are around, I don't know, like 20, 30 pages, each of these books. So they're not big. Yeah, this one's like 36 pages. So all these little ones come like this, but what I like about it is they're really handy to have on the side while you're using Clickfunnels. Okay, so this is Clickfunnels Secrets. Okay, the next one you have is Actionetics Secrets, which is Clickfunnels email responder, autoresponder, and it basically shows how to do all of the different things with Actionetics, and it kind of explains all of that kind of stuff. So I really, really like that as well. So that's Actionetics Secrets. Okay, the other one that it comes with is Fill Your Funnel Secrets. And I really like this too because it talks about how to capture your funnels with traffic and all of that kind of good stuff. So how to fill your funnels essentially using traffic and how to convert the visitors and the different cost per acquisitions, etc. So I think that's really cool. This one's really, really cool. You can't get that anywhere else. Fill Your Funnel Secrets. And this is one of my favorite. I actually think this is one of my favorite books. That's why I saved the best for last. And it's called Brunson's Secret Sketches. And what I really like about this is that it has all of every single sketch that you have read in his books, okay, in his .com secrets and his expert secrets. And the reason I like all of this stuff is because you don't need necessarily to have both the .com and the expert secrets books right by you going sketch by sketch. You can literally, to help you recall, you can literally just open this up and being like, oh yeah, that's what that meant, and that's what that meant. And that's what's really, really cool about this. And I actually think this is worth the ticket alone because it's so cool, because you have all of his sketches, okay? You have all of the sketches right here. So even if you just wanted to carry this around with you in your laptop bag, if you wanted, for example, just to recall some of the sketches or by your desk, it's better than going through the entire book page by page. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the Funnel Hackers black box. So again, you get the secret sketches, you get the nice box that it comes in, you get the secret sketches, you get Fill Your Funnel, you get Actionetics Secrets, you get Clickfunnels Secrets, and these are all really good companion guides. That's why I really like them. They're all really good companion guides. You get .com secrets, okay, the first book. You get expert secrets, and these books are really nice too. Like if you feel all the books, they're all really, really nice books, okay? So you get those books. You get the I Build Funnels, okay? You get the Funnel Hackers Quick Start Guide, and then you get all this cool other marketing stuff. So all in all, guys, I think you get a whole ton of value from all of this stuff. I really like these stickers. These are really, really cool stickers. You can just peel them off and put them on your laptop. They're really, really nice. I like all of the packaging. I like all of it. And for, just a little bit more money, you can upgrade and get everything, and then you get this really nice looking box that you can put all your stuff into. So anyway, guys, that's the Funnel Hackers Black Box. Upgrade to it below to get your copy. Check out my link in my comments, and you can buy from there. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. It's Svej Pavic with Journey to Financial Freedom. Take care.